Hello friends. Up till now we have understand about intents, what are intents and entities. Now we are going to understand and create custom entities. We are not going to create a new agent. We will resume working over our previous agent. In this agent we have collected the user information like username or how many room is required, user email address. Now we want to add a room type, which type of room a user is required. So for this, we are going to create custom entities over here. We are going to create a custom entity. We will name it room type. Room type will be economy, and here is the synonyms of economy. User may say low cost, cheap, room, and second entity will be standard room, medium, moderate room, and the last one will be our VIP room. User may say luxury room or special room or VVIP room. Whatever. Simply save it. Now we are going to use it in book room intent. What will a user reply? The the user will say, I want to book VIP room. Here it is. It is recognized VIP as a room type. We will mark it as required and define the question. Which type of room would you like to book? Economy, standard, or VIP? Or or would you like to book a room? Which type of room you are looking for? Economy, standard, and VIP. We will also implement it over here. Alice, your hotel booking request for three persons has been your hotel booking request for VIP room for three persons has been forwarded to booking department. We will contact you soon on this email. Simply save it. User may say book hotel. What is your name? John. How many rooms we want to book? Four. Menu your email. John@gmail.com. Which type of room you are looking for? VIP room. John, your hotel booking request for VIP room for four persons has been forwarded to booking department. We will contact you on john@gmail.com. Here it is. We have created our basic bot and understand the basics of intent, system entities and custom entities. Here you can see another options like integrations. You can integrate your web chatbot in webhook, messenger, and all these options. You can also add training phases. You can also find your conversation track that what a user is trying to input in your bot. Like if you click here, user typed go this. By this you can improve your bot. Here you can also add a small talks like what is your bot name, about, courtesy, emotion, goodbye, and basic information you can also input over here. So that's it for now. In our next lesson, we will talk about deployment. We will talk about Firebase functions. What are Firebase? Now I'm going to export it as zip and will deploy it over here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.